This home is ideal for a growing family looking for space and a quiet living environment. You'll love the layout of this 4-bedroom/3-bath home. The floor plan is nice and open with split bedrooms and 2 master suites. The home has been freshly painted and is immaculate and move-in ready. The kitchen boasts granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The breakfast nook has a bay window that overlooks the backyard, and for your fancier meals, there is a formal dining room. There is also an office should you need to work from home. The home is nestled on a half-acre lot and on a cul-de-sac, so the kids will have a safe place to ride bikes and skateboards. You're also right around the corner from a public boat ramp and park on Deerpoint Lake. Just 15 minutes from town, schools, shopping, medical facilities and more. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.